Hello.
Hello, Akhil. Hi.
Hi, Nitin. How are you? How are you, Nitin?
I'm good. I'm alive
Okay.
and kicking. And yes,
Yes, sir. So, Nitin, where are you from?
actually, I live in Ghaziabad, Delhi NCR region. And yeah,
Yes,
so I'm from here.
yes. So, I want to know more about you. Could you
Okay.
please give me your introduction?
Yeah, my name is Nitin. I am from Ghaziabad and I'm actually a tutor. I teach school students computer science and also mathematics. And I'm a very enthusiast. I'm very English enthusiasm. I really like to improve my English language. That's why I use this app and other, like we meet in that open talk. So these kind of app I really like to use so that I can enhance my English skills. I also read many books so that I can improve it. I really love that. It makes your life easy. And one plus point is you can understand the, like, you can watch so many like Hollywood series and all in much better way. So yeah, there are many advantages of learning English.
Yes. I'm really very happy to talk with you because we have just talked on Buddy application, and
Yeah.
I have already told for my YouTuber, for my you know many YouTubers whoever watching my YouTube channel, I told them that you should also download the Buddy application and you should
Yeah.
just start talking with more and more people
Exactly.
because when you connect with new people, you learn a lot.
Yes.
Yes,
One fun fact I want to tell you that I have been using Buddy Talk for 2 years, for last 2 years.
yes,
So it's
yes,
been a very long time for me and a very good learning journey where I have learned so many things.
yes. So, how was your experience? As you told that the journey was very nice, but I want to know more about that. How is Buddy application? What do you think about that? Should people use that application to improve their English speaking?
Yes, definitely they can do it. Like first, I want to tell you about my experience there. When I started using it, my communication skills was not very good, and I have one very peculiar habit, which is like I used to translate everything from Hindi to English. That was my habit, and it makes your speech very slow. You have to think a lot in your mind. So, but yeah, but the good thing is after talking to so many people again and again, it has everything has become very normal, and yeah, it's become very natural. English has become very natural. I'm not saying I don't make mistakes now, but it's like it has improved a lot.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah. So for practicing English, Buddy Talk, Open Talk, whatever, it is a very nice app. But there is one like limitation of it. Like not every person is as good as you, or maybe the other people. Like sometimes people are bored and all. They might abuse you. Sometimes it's funny, and sometimes they are very rude. So it happens sometimes. But if you are totally focused on learning, then it won't affect you much.
yes. It is fact that there are some people who will talk with you, and there are some people who will not, talk with you. There are
Yes.
some bad people. They misbehave with you, and they will just mock at you.
Yes.
Yes, but
Exactly.
you need to find out the good people who will help
Yes,
you to improve your English speaking,
yes,
and you
yes.
are one of them. That is why I am talking with you, because I think that you are speaking well. And
Thank you very much.
yes, and as you already told that I am very enthusiastic. I am really very inquisitive to learn English language, and because English is a language which will help you to talk with more and more people.
Mhm.
If you are having knowledge of English language, you will connect with the world.
Exactly. Sorry for that. Sorry for that voice. I have
Yeah,
already told you.
yeah. If I will talk about my area, so railway station is also very near from here. But right now
Okay.
there is no train. Otherwise, you will be able to listen the voice of that.
Okay. So you can understand that. Okay. You can understand my feeling now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It is not big issue. It is
Okay.
a, it is a great opportunity to talk with you face to face. You
Same
know.
here. Same here.
Yeah.
I
So
really like your concept, and like you put all your videos, all your conversation here, and I would say like it's a very nice idea because we can learn so many things from each other's conversation, because the kind of sentences we are using, these are nothing but a very common sentences which one should know. And if we are listening to the conversation of other people, and we are just a common people, we are not celebrities, so we can learn so many things from it. I would also watch your videos also, and I hope you will, like after some time you will again make some session on Cambly too. I would love to watch that also, but I will watch this one also especially if it goes to YouTube. But yeah,
yes, actually, Nitin, I love to talk with different people whom I do not know. I love to talk
yeah,
with strange people, with unknown people, because I learn a lot from them.
okay,
And if you really want to learn something, you should talk with more and more people. And
exactly.
specifically English is a language. If you will do more and more practice, so it will become very easy task for you. And if you
Yes,
will not do practice, so it will be very tough, very difficult to talk with people.
yeah, totally agree with you.
Yeah, so nowadays what are you doing? Are you doing any job, or what's your hobbies? What's your dream? What do you want to do in future?
As I told you, I am in education sector and I give tuitions. So a big chunk of my day, like, is spent in making notes and making lectures. Sometimes I record videos and send it to the, nowadays everything goes online. So yeah, so these kind of things I do. I take session on Zoom call. So yeah, this is what I do. Beside it, I am also preparing for higher studies. So if I get a good college, then I might do that as well. And yeah, like one desire of mine is to be on YouTube, not to make vlog videos, and also I also learn video editing and all those things. So yes, so yeah, these are the things which I'm doing. I really like watching YouTube videos. I really love YouTube, by the way, and learning how to edit videos and all. I'm also interested in that. So yeah, and I also watch so many educational videos also, so that I can give them more better content to my students also, whom I
Yes,
am
yes.
teaching.
Yes, so Nitin, I would like to I would like to take your advice. According to you, what people should do to improve their English speaking? Should they learn grammar, or should they just start talking with people?
Look, I would say, like, first of all, before answering that question, I would like to tell first thing we should know that it will take time. It's not like taking a pill and you will be, like, you will have a very good English next day. It's not like that. So whatever you do, have some patience. Now the second thing, it depends. I would say, like, you should always start with talking with other people. It's really good. Like, that's how we learn our native languages, right? So if we talk with other people, it's right, but to some extent, after that, you should also include listening, like the podcast or listening. You have already mentioned me in another call, the TED Talk. So these kind of things also help you. Then reading can also help you. So yeah, with the passage of time, keep on adding more and more things. But I think talking is the easiest way to learn. If you like, if I would say, like, if you are speaking, if you are continuously speaking for 1 month, every day you are speaking for certain hour, and if you are reading for certain hour and you are listening for certain hour, you will learn more by talking initially. I would say this. Later on, you can add listening and the reading. It can add some values to your speaking skills also. So everything has their important role. But if you are a beginner, then start with speaking. It's easy. There are so many things available. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Actually, if I will talk about, we learnt our mother tongue by just imitating. We used to just listen people, and we used to
That
just reflect that action. So I suggest to people that if you really interested to improve your English speaking, then you should talk. If you are committing grammatical mistakes, don't bother about them, because it
exactly.
happens. it happens, people want to become perfect in English language, and that is not gonna happen. And because of that fear, they are not able to talk in English.
Yeah,
Actually, this is a big issue. You should
exactly.
not care, you should not care about your grammatical mistakes if you are talking with people. So Nathan, I would like to know, what is the condition of COVID-19 in Delhi? You are from Delhi,
Yeah.
and how is the atmosphere? And I would like to know more about that.
Look, cases are increasing here also, and I think every day 4,000, 3,000 cases are coming. And but the good, like it's good or bad, I don't know. But most of the things have already opened here, so economy is going on, because we all know that economy is also important. Like this is also important. So cases are increasing, but everything is open. People are taking precaution. Like I was really surprised when this condition started. I think that okay, no one will gonna wear mask in India. It's very difficult to tell them. But I'm really surprised to see like each and every person wear mask. One complaint I have, that people don't follow social distancing when in shops or in some other places. If they follow this, maybe we will battle with this COVID-19, and we will come out of this situation early. So yeah.
Yes, yes. Still we need to keep we need to keep social distancing, and we should use mask,
Exactly.
because if we will be careless about about this issue, then it will become very challenging task for us.
Exactly. Yes,
Because
just the three things, like washing our hand whenever we you go outside, or sanitize your hand, and maintain social distancing, and wearing mask. If we are doing these three things, we can do a lot, so many good things.
yes, yes, but I think so now the condition is in control, and we already know that our government is doing great job.
Yeah.
Yes. So I want to know more about your hobbies, and I want to know that have you ever visited out of your city like Delhi? So what's your hobbies?
Okay, as I told you, like video editing, I to be very honest, I love learning new things. But beside learning new things, like I really enjoy doing exercise, workout. I really love that. I love sketching and all these kind of things. I really love. I also love dancing, but nowadays I don't dance much, but I watch many dancing videos. So yeah, these are the things which I really like to do. And about visiting outside, yes, few states I have visited, but I haven't traveled much. I really want to travel more. Maybe I will travel more and make videos about it. Maybe that would be the uh, you can say the genre for my YouTube channel. I don't know, but yeah, but I want to travel more, but I haven't traveled much. Like few places I have visited, like Uttarakhand I have visited, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, and uh, like Agra, like in Uttar Pradesh, the Agra, like that place I have visited. So yeah, these are the places, and that's it, and not much.
Yes, yes. My last question is, I want to know about your strength, about your skills, and about your weaknesses as well, related to English and other as well. What's your
Okay,
strength? What's your weakness? And is it very helpful? English is helpful to you to build up
okay,
your career?
okay. About my strength, I would say that like the way I learn, it's very dynamic. I never follow any single method, and I keep on getting ideas. I don't know it's whether it's my like a strength or weakness, I don't know, but I keep on getting very innovative ideas. Like for example, when I used to use like the buddy talk in the beginning, I was just talking. After 1 month I get bored, so I changed my name to storyteller, and I ask people to listen one very short story. It really helps me in narrating the things. Sometimes I play question answer game in that, like where I ask people certain set of question, and people really enjoy giving answer. I realize that people love to talk about themselves much in that buddy talk and all. So I ask them interesting question about their life and all. It also helps me in learning, how to ask questions and these kind of thing. Sometimes I do like the role play in open talk. Like I ask them, okay, you are a teacher and I'm a student. and I want to increase my mask, and let's do this conversation in English. So these kind of activity I keep on doing. So I think that is my strength. Like I keep on thinking in a very different way. But about my limitation is, like, I don't have a very like I leave things early. Like, and sometimes I also procrastinate. I leave the things in between. Maybe I get bored with things easily. If I keep on continuing with it, I might get better result. So yeah, maybe this is my weakness, I would say. So yeah.
Yes, Nitin, it was really nice conversation with you, and
Same
this has become memorable part of my life. I will
here.
never forget, because you know when you talk with someone, you never forget the face of that person, and means it becomes part of your life. It
Exactly.
it fits in your memory.
Exactly.
So yeah, I hope so that Nitin, we will uh, we will talk furthermore as well, and God will
Definitely.
help us. God will connect
Exactly.
us, with each other, and it was really incredible, wonderful, and memorable conversation with you.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
yes,
I want to say this, that this is also very nice experience for me, because we were talking, we haven't seen each other. Now we are watching each other, and you have a wonderful channel on YouTube. I have already
yes,
subscribed it. I will see, and I want more and more people to subscribe your channel, and yeah, they can talk with you, and they can subscribe it so
yes,
that they can see themselves on your YouTube channel, just like I will do. So I will wait for my video to be on your channel. I have already subscribed. And it's really nice talking to you. You are a wonderful person. Let me tell you that.
thank you so much, Nitin. Okay, Nitin, bye.
Bye bye. Bye.